Alright guys, this is my video on the final rinse on the super speed cycle on the WW900 washing machine. So this is the cycle where the machine actually sprays the water into the drum. Without further ado, I'll start the machine, and then you can watch this cycle. So here goes. Right, as you can see, the cycle's completed now. So that was the my video on the rinse cycle on the spin speed. The super speed cycle on the WW900 washing machine from Samsung. I hope you found that video interesting. A few people have asked me to actually do that video. So I do apologise for the delay, because it was about 3 weeks ago or so when I got the request through to do that video. It's now been done. If you've got any other videos that you want me to do, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try and get around to that as soon as I can. Just before I go, I'll show you the eco check facility, so you can actually see just how much electricity and water this cycle has actually used. The clothes that I washed, the items that I washed, I did. If you watched the full video, because I split this video into two, and the first video was I think it was about an hour and a half or so, which showed the full super speed cycle. So you can actually see for the actual full cycle, it has used quite a bit of electricity and water. That's basically solely because I had. There's a facility on the machine where you can get the machine to actually do a soak, and I actually added that onto the machine, so you can actually see that it has used a bit of electricity and a bit of water. But if we go back onto the other cycles, which I'll probably have to turn the machine off and turn it back on again. So if you go onto the other cycles, you will see that normally on the washing cycles, you will actually see that the machine is normally quite economical. So I will just show you these cycles, and if we just go back onto one here, there's a super speed cycle that you can do, and you can see the energy consumption and the water that it used is very minimal. So that's a normal cycle. So anyway, that's my video on the WW900